Are you looking for ways to make money online? You've come to the right channel. Who doesn't want to earn thousands of dollars by simply copying and pasting photos on the internet? We all do. During this time of the pandemic, we have come to find ways of making money online and doing it remotely. Now that things are gradually returning back to normal, we have preferred not to work in office settings, waking up early, and doing the job for more than 8 hours of sitting in an office chair. Who wouldn't want to when earning online is possible for you and me? This means that we can both earn and enjoy our freedom and travel whenever we like without stressing ourselves over paperworks. Not just that, with the website that I will be showing to you later on, it's possible that you won't even have to work at all and just want to perform simple online tasks such as copying and pasting that will let the money roll in. How promising is that? Are you excited to learn new ways of earning online? Just keep on watching. This website, which I will be showing to you, has already assisted people from all over the world in generating money on a regular basis. In the tutorial that follows, I'll teach you how to generate money without investing a lot of time or effort. But before you watch the video, keep in mind that this will not make you insanely rich, and it is not suggested as a long-term income source. Let's get right to it and see how you can do it. The first website that I'll be showing you is TemplateMonster.com. TemplateMonster.com is a digital marketplace where you can purchase and sell a variety of digital assets like WordPress designs, Shopify designs, HTML or website templates, and many more. This will not set you back a dime. The website TemplateMonster.com is viewed by 1.3 million individuals per month. And it doesn't require you to purchase anything on Template Monster, but rather we will have to work on here. And this is mainly due to the fact that there is 100% free software that I will share with you later on that will particularly do everything for you in a particular type of services that are being sought after a lot on this site. And because the software does everything for you, you don't really need the skills. Clearly, most of the time you can't get paid on a site like this if you don't have any design skills, but all thanks to the tool I'll show you in a few more minutes wherein you can get paid even if you don't have the skills, and even with zero designing experience. It sounds fantastic, right? You also don't have to worry since the website is made available all over the world, which makes it accessible for all of us. Let me show you what you'll be doing on this website to make money. You'll be selling resume templates, and I'd like to show you individuals making a lot of money doing it. To see the numbers for yourself, click on All Products in the upper left corner over here. Toggle your mouse over Graphics, and then click on Resume Templates to the right of it. That will now take you to this page and take a look at this. This person I found is charging $15 at the very least and had over 400 sales. As you can see near the top here, implying that we are talking about $6,000 in total profit, and this is far from the only good example. This person here is charging $20 and has had over 600 sales, implying that we are talking about no less than $12,000 in total profit selling those resume templates. And you see, these are just two of the many examples you may look at for yourself. If you really look at it, you can make a lot of money just by selling these templates. Not only did you increase your earning potential, but you also have minimized the amount of labor that needs to be done. Knowing now that there have been a lot of people who leveraged a lot of money on this platform, and doing so from all over the world, let's get to the spot. Once you've shown up at this website, click on Start Selling in the upper right corner. On the following page, you'll want to first select Author here. Since we won't be paying anyone, then either enter your email address and password in these two boxes over here. Then, tick this box indicating that you agree to their terms. And finally, click on Create Account below. Or you can simply sign up using your Facebook or Google account, which is much faster and preferable. If you chose the first option, you'll need to log in to your Gmail account and find and open a message from Template Monster that looks like this. Then, click on Confirm Email below to complete the process and log into your completely new account. Upon logging in, they'll ask you to add information to your public profile. And if you click on the Public Profile tab, you'll see that you'll have to add a public name, a photo of yourself, and select what country you're from. And that's basically it. By the way, as mentioned, this works worldwide. Here's what you need to do from here. Initially, click on Products, then create a new product here. and then choose the category in concern, which for us is resume templates. Then click Next. And now that you've completed that, it's time for me to show you the platform where you can have those resumes written for you, so you can get good pay. Here's the site I mentioned at the start of the video, just a moment ago. It's called Crello.com. And what it basically is a place where you can design various things, such as a fantastic Instagram post, using the thousands of templates this site has to offer. Facebook posts, Instagram stories, and so on. But more importantly for us, you can design resumes. The thing that you'll want to do when you get on this site is to sign up, and all that you have to do now is click on Sign Up in the upper right corner, fill out some information, and that's it. When you've logged in, all you have to do now is write resume in this box here and press enter. Then this site will show you thousands of resume templates that you can charge $15 or $25 for each. And they're all done for you, with you doing practically no work, so you don't need any skills. In any case, all you have to do now is choose from one of these templates. Simply tweak them to make them seem as good as you can, and then download them to your PC by clicking the download button below. Lastly, to complete the process, simply return to Template Monster, publish the resume template, and charge your fee for it. Then, repeat the process.